Welcome to part 2 of our video, where now we take the Barbecue Pit Boys video where they did the jalapeno popper burgers and we make it better. We reviewed it in part 1. In part 2 we're going to step it up a notch and we're going to show you how you could have made that burger better. Before we do that, remember we do have the giveaway for the VITALWARE culinary torch. This thing is awesome. In fact, you're going to see it in a lot of videos on this channel, and you can get yours completely free. Free shipping, free everything. All you have to do is be a subscriber and then like and comment on a video. Every video on the channel that you like and comment on, you get 1 entry into the drawing. So make sure you're watching the videos, like them, leave some feedback down below. Tell me what you liked, tell me what you didn't like, tell me what I could do better, because
I thought that we had something special. I gotta handle this alright.
Alright, so the first thing we're going to do in this video is we're going to cut up our jalapenos. We're not going to cut these in half, which is going to allow us to thin down the cavity inside the burger, and it's going to cook more evenly. Remember, you always want to cut on flat end. So really, we're going to use probably 2 slices of this jalapeno. We probably are not going to use these at all, but we'll kind of just see how things fall out. Now, I'm going to leave the seeds in here because I like mine spicy. You have the option of taking your seeds out if you want to tone down the heat a little. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to shrink the size of these hamburgers a little bit. They went with a 1-pound hamburger, a ½ pound on each side. We're actually going to half that. We're going to do a little over 1/4 pound on each side. So each one of these balls is 5 ounces. So we're going to use our hands to thin that patty out. We want this patty to be thin because we want it to cook all the way through. We don't want it raw in the middle. Even if you want your burger a little more pink, that's fine, but you don't want it raw. We're going to take our AP seasoning, which will be available soon on our website at scullandmortar.com. And we're going to go ahead and give it a generous blast on this side. We're going to flip it over. We're going to give it a generous blast on the other side. You want to make sure you get all your seasoning on the hamburger before you start to cook it. Now, we're going to lay these. So I'm going to flip that over so they can kind of hug close together. Now, we're going to leave a rim here so we have space that we can pinch the burger together. And then just kind of figure out how it fits best on your patty so that you can press the patties together later. We're going to smash that out. We're going to try and keep it to about the same size and shape of the other burger, so that way, again, they fit together nicely. And we're going to go back to the AP seasoning. We're going to hit both sides. We want to get that seasoning inside. We're going to hit both sides of this burger with that seasoning. So I like the way these match up. That's going to be perfect. We're still going to put the cream cheese inside. So when you bite into it, you should get a nice gooey cheese coming out of it. You don't really need anything fancy as far as the cream cheese goes. Alright, so we're going to drop the cream cheese down in the bowl. So get those jalapenos diced up nice and small. Okay, we're going to dump those jalapenos directly in with the cream cheese. We're going to slice this habanero. I'm going to leave the seeds in again because I want all that heat. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and slice this across. Again, make sure you finely dice that habanero. So what we're going to do next is we're going to kind of just mash all that together. Okay, so we really want a mound of cream cheese in here. As you can tell, we're going to load this bad boy up with the cream cheese. Now we're going to take our second burger, slam this bad boy over the top. We're going to go ahead and push these down. This burger is huge. This burger is plenty big enough. And this is coming from a big guy. I don't know if you can tell, I don't miss a whole lot of meals. And I'll tell you that, I don't leave a whole lot on the table. The key to cooking this burger, we're going to put it on the smoker. We're going to let it cook at a low temperature all the way through, and then we're going to come back and revisit it. In the meantime, we're going to get our toppings together. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our cast iron piping hot. We want it extremely hot. Yeah, you can hear it sizzling now. And again, we're going to keep this all pretty basic. We're just going to stay with the AP rub. Again, it'll be available on our website here soon for order. Give it a good coat. Don't be scared of it. Now we're going to take the jalapenos that we have left from that first jalapeno. We're going to go ahead and just dump that in there. If your house isn't completely filled with smoke by the time this is done, you have not done it correctly. This would be a good time to use this torch. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and dice our onion. Quick pro tip, if you don't want to cry while you're cutting onions, cut through the root. Don't cut the root off. When you cut the root off, it's going to release whatever it is that makes you cry. So if you're not trying to tear up today, now in their video, they used bell peppers as the toppings. They definitely overcooked the bell peppers, and I'm not really sure how the bell peppers are going to fit into this whole thing, but since they did it in theirs, we're going to go ahead and throw it in ours as well. Now one big difference here, we're going to cut ours, we're not going to cut ours in slices. We're going to cut ours in long ways to kind of fit the burger bag. We're going to leave these real thick like that. We're going to drop it right down in there. Pretty much what we do. We just hang out, we wait. We're not going to leave them on for a real long time. We want to keep them crisp. We don't want them to wilt up too much. Now that's about what I want to see on that red bell pepper there. I don't want it to be wilted up, man. I don't want it to be all broke down and crappy. I want to keep it crisp. All right, guys, our burger is done. We are going to throw it on this bun here that I made in a previous video. Check up in the corner. It'll be popping up right about now. Just kind of toasting up the surface just a little bit. So we had a little cream cheese kind of ooze out of the middle of this thing. So we went ahead and put it on the bottom bun here. We want to save as much of that as possible because the flavor is just next level. Then we're going to go ahead and throw our bacon on top of here. And we're going to step it up one level. We got some pepper jack cheese slices. We're going to go ahead and throw those right on top of there. Go for two, because why not? Be as gluttonous as possible, my friends. My wife is about to kill me. Now, you can use any method of melting this, but of course we're going to use the torch here. Get that good and crispy. I almost kind of want it burnt a little bit, the cheese. I want that to bubble up like that. Get good and brown, melt it down over the bacon. And again, you could win this right now by commenting on any one of our videos. So we're going to leave these on again because this is what they did. So we're going to leave this as part of the sandwich. We're going to push those bad boys on top. There it is, my friends. Our version of the jalapeno popper burger. Let's take a cross section and see what we're dealing with here. There it is, guys. Cooked all the way through. Gonna give you plenty of cream cheese and jalapeno flavor. I mean, it's oozing out all over the place. And this, my friend, is what they call pitmaster privilege. Fantastic, it really is. I think we nailed this one, guys.